August is here, which means if you're expecting company this football season, you better be prepared.
That's right. The Packers have already started. The Badgers will be here before we know it. So Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is out on the patio with us with some great ideas for your game day hungry fans.
And we got the smoker out again.
I traveled with a smoker. So I've got my little portable smoker, and I wanted to talk about a couple smoked beef recipes. And actually, the first one I want to talk about uses a tri-tip. This would be perfect for a tailgating party get-together because tri-tips are bigger. They're about 1.5 to 2 pounds. It's actually the bottom sirloin.
Okay.
Very popular on the West Coast, becoming more popular here in the Midwest, so you can find them in the supermarket. But it'll be shaped like a boomerang or like a triangle with 3 points. And it does do very well in the smoker because it needs to be tenderized, kind of like a brisket or a round.
Okay.
So what I did was I took that tri-tip and I set my smoker to 225 degrees, and I do that for all of the beef recipes, so it's a nice low heat to smoke them, and smoked it about 45 minutes.
And there's pellets, there's wood pellets in the back of this.
Yeah, so there's wood pellets in the back of this, so I just need a little electricity and my wood pellets, and then I got a probe in it, so then I turn this smoker up to more like a sear or a grill temperature. It's at 400 degrees. So then I kind of just finished this tri-tip off.
Now the tri-tip is thick. So how long did that cook?
So it took a while. It'll take 15-20 minutes at least after you smoke it. Now I brought mine here cold and put it on, so it took longer. But if you do the smoking process, it's still warm at that 225.
And that's a couple 3 hours?
No, 45 minutes for flavor.
Okay.
Then on the side, I actually did these in my on my stovetop. So 1 sweet onion, 1 poblano pepper, a little garlic, a little squeeze of lime juice to top the tri-tip to make tacos. And this will make a lot of tacos.
Angie, tilt that pot a little bit just so people can see what's inside with your,
There we go,
That looks really good.
I just put them in this and I reheated them on my smoker. Made them ahead.
Perfect.
So you just cut up the meat and do your regular taco selection. What else we have?
Let it rest for sure, and then assemble your tacos. This is a smoked top sirloin skewer. So I took 1 top sirloin, which is about 1 pound, and I marinated it just a little bit, about a half an hour, in some extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, crushed red pepper, garlic. And then I took the chunks and threw them right on the smoking grate, smoked them for 20 minutes, at 225 degrees, just for that smoked flavor. Took them off, let them cool just a little bit so I could handle them, and then made skewers with tomato, some really large Spanish green olives, and then some red onion. And that's it. And then you can top with some great like shredded fresh Italian cheese. This is an Asiago, so they kind of got that like Italian Spanish flavor going on.
So you could do this on a regular grill as well. You're just not going to have that smoky flavor.
You can definitely do this on the regular grill. You just won't get that smoky flavor. But it is kind of fun to have that little bit of that smoky flavor, and it doesn't take a super long time, about an hour for the skewers. So kind of fun if you have a smoker, try a couple steaks on it, see what you think.
It's a good idea to do the steak first, then assemble. That's the key to the kebabs, right?
Right, and then sear them at the end.
Yeah,
put them back on like a regular grill.
Really, because you see them in the store, they're all put together. You shouldn't put them on the grill that way.
I usually don't, but like if you're going to smoke your beef first, you definitely don't want to. But.
Okay, and these little smokers are a new thing.
I know. Hey, Brewers still playing. I might have to go to a Brewer game.
It folds down, you put it in the car?
Yeah, fold it down, let it cool it, put it in the car, and we're good to go. Yeah. So
is a tri-tip expensive like a filet? It looks very similar to a tenderloin.
Nope, it's more like priced like a brisket.
Okay.
So $6.99, $8.99 a pound.
Okay, great.
So like a sirloin.
I've never seen them in the store. I'll have to look.
Yeah, you'll have to check it out or ask. They should have them. But beeftips.com. Find all the recipes, plus all of some great like beef smoking tips, what kind of cuts to use on your smoker, what kind of pellets to use, all that stuff.
Oh, that's great.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
The great outdoors.
Yeah.
Angie, thank you.
Of course.
Thank you, Angie.
Enjoy
Good to
football
see you.
season.
Yeah.
And we'll be right back.